In today's session, I am going to discuss how to write research paper. So first of all, we will try to learn what is exactly structure of the research paper, and then I will explain whether it is written in the same sequence as far as the structure of the research paper is concerned or not. So please, all the researchers, I would recommend to watch this carefully so that all the concepts will get clear, and you will come to know that what is exactly the sequence and the structure of the research paper. So please have a look here. Once we write, this is the research paper structure. First of all, I will just write here what is the research paper structure. Okay. So in the structure, first of all, what we do, the title is there, title of the research paper, then it comes here, author's affiliation, and then it comes here, the most important part is abstract, which I will explain later on, that whether it is written in the start of the research paper, whether it is to be written in the end of the research paper. After abstract, you make the keywords. These are the keywords you derive from your literature review, introduction part and the literature review. And it should be limited between 4 to 5 keywords only. Okay? Don't write more than 5 words. Okay? Although it is acceptable if you write 6, if you write 7, it is acceptable. But in the high quality journals, most of the time they say just confine yourself between 4 to 5 keywords. After keywords, your part of the research paper is start, introduction, okay, and then it comes the literature review. This is the main important part, okay. And after that, you write the RM part. What is the research objective, research hypothesis, and on what basis you are going to draw the results, and primary data or secondary data. There may be kinds of research depending upon your research paper. And after research methodology, it comes here the analysis part. Research methodology, and after that, analysis. After analysis, you do conclusion, and then this discussion part will be there, okay. And after that, your reference. These references you are taking from the introduction LR, okay. Introduction, and from the LR you will put all those references, whether in the depending upon the target journal, APA style, APA6 style, or Vancouver style, whatsoever. Now this is the structure of the research paper. What I would like to say is this: I just mark here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. These are the 11 sequence. Okay, this is a sequence, but not necessarily that it should be written in the same manner. First of all the researchers, they have to find out the theme of the research paper. Once you find out the theme of the research paper, okay, then you will do, first of all, which parts you are going to do. You will do this introduction part and LR part. So that I will say first, for example, 1A, 1B, because this is the first part. First A, first B. Okay. Introduction, LR. After introduction and LR, your references will automatically be generated if you use Mendeley, if you use EndNote kind of the softwares. Okay. So the reference part will come at second number. Okay. At the second number when it comes, then from the literature review you will find the research gap. Once you find the research gap, then you will do the, what you will do? You will find the, you will do the this RM part, research methodology, after finding the research gap. At number 4, you will do the analysis of your findings. Okay. Then you will do the conclusion, and 6th number you will do the discussion. But what about this? What about this? Abstract. And it doesn't matter whether author affiliation you write in the beginning or in the end, it is an exception. Okay, this is not the case. What we are going to do, this title, abstract, keywords, introduction, LR, RM analysis, conclusion, discussion and references. Keywords, just put it at number later on in the last. You will find from your literature review, from your introduction, it comes here later in the last 7th stage. Okay, and then what the most important part is left, abstract. The abstract is a summary of your research paper in which you put the objective of the research paper, you do your tools which you have used and also the findings. Okay, and abstract. Abstract part I recommend at last, in the last but not least. So what you are going to do, you will write an abstract around, keep it between somewhere 150 to 200 words, okay? Not less than 150 words, not more than 200 words. Although, depends upon the target journal, okay? But many cases I have found in Science Direct, Sage and Taylor and Francis and other Springer, they recommend that abstract should be between 200 or 250 words. Okay. In Taylor and Francis, in many journals, I have found that even though they say not more than 100 words. Okay. So my recommendation here, there is no hard and fast rule as such, but my suggestion is that be specific, not this abstract, no less than 100, no less than 100 words, no more than 250 words. Okay, so believe me, if you follow these rules, you will write very good quality research papers. Okay, in another session, I will be talking about plagiarism, some ethical issues in these research writing, and some more research methodology tools in econometrics. Even if you are using primary data, then what will be the statistical tools required. So keep watching. Thank you very much.